Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to give you our review, our overview, and a step-by-step guide that how you can actually cash out your assets from the Fliff. So first, how to make a deposit on Fliff. So as you can find the deposit here on the, if you want to cash out here, how to cash out on Fliff, that you just need 5 minutes to cash out on Fliff. So if you're ready to cash out your winnings at Fliff, here are the steps you will need to take. Log into your account first. Then you can use your Fliff Sportsbook website or mobile app, or open your account menu. Then once you're signed in, tap the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. Then open the account menu by tapping the icon or the three horizontal line in the top right corner. Then tap redeem Fliff cash. Now that you have opened up your account menu, and look at the tap the redeem Fliff cash option. Now choose a price reduction method. That next, choose your preferred price reduction method like instant bank transfer, Skrill, or a standard bank transfer. We recommend instant bank transfer as it is typically the fastest. Now enter the amount that you will need to add enter the amount of Fliff cash you would like to redeem. Remember, you must have minimum of $50 in Fliff cash to be eligible for a price redemption. Now confirm the transaction. If everything looks alright, tap submit to submit your price redemption request. Fliff teams will review the request within 1 to 3 business days, and then the funds will be sent to your bank account and Skrill wallet, and enjoy. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.